Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Umnkosi Nokuphilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Mangaba umshala ekhaya, igama lami nguPhilile. Thank you so much for tuning into Umnkosi Nokuphilile. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like i-video, share. Guys, so kunendaba engizibonayo lapha ezingenayo, you guys izingena nje minutes ago kukhulunywa lapha ngokuthi akasekho emhlabeni umama oZanele Mbokazi. Like I still can't believe it, but I'm trying to make sure ukuthi ngiyabhekisisa nakwezinye zonke izindawo. Ngiyabona lapha kune ngathi i-statement from the Crown Gospel Music Awards, so bebengeke besende i-statement ke mangabe ngempela akuleni iqiniso ngoba sengathi ke lolu daba luqala ukutrenda kumanje ngoba ngirecorda okushuthi kuyiqiniso mhlambe you guys ngoba wow you guys ngiyabona ama publications amaningi bayalibeka lo liyadaba minutes ago bathi akasekho emhlabeni ke you guys umama uZanele Mbokazi. Ithi sifunde lana kuthiwa ke usizi kudlula emhlabeni obengumsakazo Cause FM umama uZanele Mbokazi obenza uhlelo eShilo. Kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi umama uZanele Mbokazi ubexineke kakhulu njengoba besehlale ecishe inyanga yonke. Lala uphumule mama wethu uNkulunkulu yena owaziyo, kodwa siyakhala ngentando yakhe ngoba ungomdala akaphikiswa. Luyatrenda lolu daba as it is. You can see kwenye publication but is rest in peace mama Zanele Mbokazi. The founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards passes away. Oh my word. Zanele Mbokazi Khambule, she esteemed founder of the Crown Gospel Music Awards and a well-known Cause FM radio personality, has passed away. Her death was confirmed by her husband Bishop Nkambule in a statement released earlier today. When they say earlier today, the post is 9 minutes ago. Which means into mhlambi yasebusuku kusisa angazi you guys. Someone said ukuthi khona into wrong lapha no cause bashoni into ekanjalo. Rest in peace mama Zanele Mbokazi. Awuthi ngivule lesi statement ngathi sibuya kwa Crown Gospel Music Awards, but it is with a heavy heart that we the Nkambule and Mbokazi family announce the passing of our dearly beloved Miss Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. She departed to be with the Lord early hours of the 12th August 2024 at Parklands Hospital. We are grateful for all the prayers, love and support we received throughout her illness. The family will appreciate privacy as we navigate through this challenging time. Announced by husband Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule. Kileso statement you guys. Yo. But uwile umthi omkhulu, that is another publication. As Phakamakazi News, we would like to pass our condolences to Mama Zanele Mbokazi's family and friends. Mama Zanele passed away in the early hours of today at Parklands Hospital. Shuta kaseko bafethu Mama Zanele Mbokazi. So sad, man. All these publications you guys posted 12 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago into abaqada mhlambe ukuyipublicize manje. Rest in peace, my beloved sister, a friend, a mentor, hustler, and daughter of the Most High God, Zanele Mbokazi. To Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule and family, I'm sending strength and love to the family. May God see you through this difficult time. Rest well, Mage Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, woman of influence, a mentor, a businesswoman, an example, a satyr, siyabonga smakazi, losiboneke such a beautiful soul. It's unbelievable, we are gone. Yo guys, ukushuthi ke ziyangena izindaba zokushona ke kukaMama uZanele Mbokazi. Sibonile abathandazi bethandaza bezama ngakho konke okusemandleni. You guys, they prayed, she fought against until she couldn't. Kuthiwa akasekho ke emhlabeni uMama uZanele Mbokazi. Zazimbile izindaba bafethu. Oh my word, like really, it's so sad, you guys. I'm so sorry she had to pass away. Shame, man, you guys. Wow. Azizindleneze lezi ndaba bafethu. Even kwamina nje I'm shocked because lapha post wonke is just minutes ago. Kwazi kwakubi ke lokhu you guys. Sesizothini ke you guys, sizolinda ke okunye okuza isiza ukuthi bathini uthiwa usedlulile umama. Ulwile Nkosi yami, ulwile you guys. If you've been following me lana kaMnkosi Nokuphilile bengilokhu njalo ngikhuluma ngomama uZanele, makuthandazwa na yonke into you guys bendokhu ngibalandelele because that was my favorite human being. But anyways you guys, asibongeke basazisa lana ukuthi usedlulile emhlabeni, sengathi ngomoya wakho ungalala ngokuphumula. Shame, man. I'm so sad, shame, man, you guys. But anyways, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uyimamele video, like, subscribe, share. Sibonana kwelandelayo. Bye.